we'll guide you through how to use ClickUp integrations effortlessly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and navigate to ClickUp's website. Once you're logged in, head over to the sidebar on the left and click on the Apps icon. This is where all the integration magic happens. Look for the Integrations tab at the top of the page and click it. Here, you'll see a list of all the available apps that can be integrated with ClickUp. To connect an app, simply find the one you want and click on the Connect button next to it. For example, if you're looking to integrate Slack, click Connect next to the Slack icon. You may be prompted to log into your Slack account to authorize the connection. Follow the on-screen instructions, which usually involves allowing ClickUp to access certain permissions in your Slack account. Once authorized, you'll be redirected back to ClickUp, and you'll see that Slack is now listed under your connected integrations. You can customize the settings for each integration by clicking on the gear icon next to the connected app. This allows you to tailor how data is shared between ClickUp and the integrated app, ensuring it meets your team's workflow needs. Remember, integrating these apps can significantly enhance your productivity by streamlining tasks and communication. If you ever need to disconnect an integration, you can do so by clicking the Disconnect button next to the app in the integrations list. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.